In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a social media icon to your web page using the icon element. This method is straightforward and will help you enhance the design and functionality of your website by making sure your visitors can easily connect with your social media profiles. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the page where you want to add an icon. Think of the specific area on your page where a social media icon might be most effective. Perhaps it's near your contact information, or maybe you'd prefer it to be part of your footer or header menu. Choose a spot that aligns well with your overall layout. Once you've chosen the best location for your icon, you'll want to open the Add panel, often represented by a plus icon. If you're not familiar with this panel, it is generally where all your site elements are housed, ready for you to insert them at a moment's notice. Clicking this icon brings up a wide range of options, each designed to help you build and customize your web page. You'll see different elements like text boxes, images, buttons, and of course icons. Next, you need to select the icon element from the list. The icons are usually in a section dedicated to graphical elements, which may also contain shapes or lines. Once you've located the icon element, drag it directly to the desired location on your page. This drag and drop feature is incredibly intuitive and allows for a quick placement of your icon exactly where you want it, offering you a hands-on approach to web design. After you've placed your icon, you'll see a library of different icons pop up. This library includes a variety of social media icons. Here, you'll want to choose the specific one you need, such as the icon for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or whichever social media platform you're linking to. Selecting the correct icon is crucial, as it directly represents the platform you're linking to. Once you've made your selection, it's time to customize your icon's size and color. This is where you can really make the icon your own. Adjusting the size allows you to scale the icon up or down so that it seamlessly fits into your site's design. Meanwhile, changing the color can help the icon stand out or blend in, depending on your design goals. Consider the existing color scheme of your web page and try to match or complement it with your icon for a cohesive appearance. There you have it. You've successfully added a social media icon to your web page using the icon element. This simple addition can make a big difference in how users engage with your site, bridging your web presence with your social media platforms effectively. Make sure to save the changes to keep all your hard work intact. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful for you.